Hi guys, my name is Martin,
And I'm Alex.
and we're going to present you Project 2 for CS61B Spring 2018 at UC Berkeley. And we're going to walk you through the game in the beginning, and at the end we're going to summarize our extra features on a Google slide. So I'll just run. So this is our start menu. So our game's name is Dungeon of 61B, and we have all the required features. So new game, load game, and quit. But we also included H, which shows us the high score, and we're going to mention later what that actually means. But I think for now, I'll just start the game with some random seed. I'll press S, and yeah, the first you might realize is that we don't actually see anything. So where's our word? How do we pass phase 1 in Project 2? So the reason for that is that we included some lighting engines, so we think it's too easy if you can actually see the whole game from the beginning. That's why you have to rock around to actually see stuff. So we have like a very simple radius of just 2 tiles, and everywhere we've been, so there was a dead end, and they will be shown as light. So there's happened some stuff. Alex will explain later, but I just walk around for now. But there's also the feature, so if I'm getting annoyed of that, I can press :L to enter the normal play mode. So this is just how it should be, or how the game was designed to be, with everything light, and you can see, you can see rooms, you can see corridors, you can see the player, and you can also see the magic door. So basically, that's the door to the next level, and Alex will mention it later, and G are the monsters, and they're kind of interesting and add another dimension to the game. But I'll just pass to Alex to explain what they're actually doing.
Okay, you play that. Okay, so the most striking feature of the game immediately is all of the goblins that are running around. That's what G stands for. And we have 2 types of monsters in the game. We have goblins, which you see plenty of here, and they just have 1 HP and 1 damage, which is very straightforward. And they're quite cowardly. They'll run away from the player, and if they're next to you and you don't try to hit them, they'll hit you. And you have to sort of hunt them down. They'll try to run away. As you can see, Martin's getting actually obliterated by them at the moment, which is problematic. Oh, and he's died, which is just tragic. So another key feature of the game, though, is the levels, which you mentioned briefly. So if you look at the bottom right of the screen, you'll see that we started on level 9. That's because we're too bad at the game to make it all the way to level 10 to show you something special. But if Martin makes his way to level 10, we'll see that there is another type of monster in the game, which is the boss. Now, you don't have to kill any of these monsters to make it to the next level, because that would be too difficult. But you get points for killing them, and you get loads of points if you manage to kill the boss. Now, the boss, unlike the rest of the monsters, has more than 1 HP and has a reasonable chance of killing you. But he can also, you can see him here, it's at the bottom left of the blue. He can also increase the damage of the player. And if you kill the goblins, you have a chance of increasing your health. So if you were actually playing this game in the attempt to get points, you'd have to go around killing goblins to get health. Try to avoid being hit, which means go directly towards them so they don't get a chance to hit you in the back. And then once you've got lots of health, try and kill the boss before he kills you to get lots of points, and then progress to the next level. So here we go. Martin's going to give it a go. It's probably not going to end well from him. Oh, the goblin snuck up on him, and the boss is not feeling like combat. Oh, there we go. So he's actually about to die because the boss does quite a lot of damage. So I think the best idea is here. Okay, never mind. Let's try that again, and we'll just quickly go and finish level 10. So if Martin manages that. In the meantime, we can discuss some more dynamics about how these monsters work. So there's some properties of the monsters, such as hit chances and the health of the boss, for example, which scale with the level that you're on, so the game gets increasingly more difficult. And I mentioned points earlier. You can't actually see your score, but it's happening in the background, and you'll see it on the high score table or when you die. As you saw, Martin's score just then was pretty pathetic, because he didn't manage to kill anything, and he didn't manage to progress any levels, which is another way of getting points, obviously. So if you've made it all the way to level 10 and you haven't died, which would be surprising, it's very likely that you won't want to continue playing, in which case you have the option now to stop playing without being game over, so you can feel better about yourself. So here you go, Martin was pretty bad, so he's gonna stop playing. Yeah, that's here you go, the high score table. Martin didn't even make it, I don't think, which is quite depressing, but there we go. And the high scores are saved when you quit the game, so we can quickly show that, along with the save feature, which is actually part of the base project, but so there you go, high scores stay, but let's just quickly show the save feature as well, and so that it saves the explore part of the world. So if you want to go straight to the menu from here, you can. and then you just load back in, and you're back where you were. So that's the game.
Thank you.
So let's just quickly show you a summary table of what we've done is here. There you go. Thanks for listening.
So improved lightning, monsters, HP damage, hit chance, and we include a point system. So I hope that will be enough for getting the go points. And we also had a lot of fun of implementing this stuff. So no matter what grade we actually get at the end, we're happy anyways. So thanks for listening.
People playing our game. Thank you very much.